Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 5 is going to be respect. Now I know a lot of you guys have heard that word before, either by a parent, a sibling, a teacher. The word respect simply means this: the act of giving attention or showing care. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have our Fast 5 workout, which is going to be 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute break, and then again repeating the same 4 exercises again for a second round. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout is number 1, it's going to be in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, side plank. Our exercise number 1 is going to be in and out. So you're going to put your feet together and you're going to go in, out. So open and close. Open and close, all right? So those are what I call in and outs. Number 2, tuck jumps. What you're gonna do is put your feet kind of about shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump up and try to get your knees to your chest. Looks like that, okay? So you're bringing your, kind of like a cannonball. 3, we got leg raises. So what you're gonna do is get on your bottoms, on your backs, and what you're gonna do is lift your legs up 6 inches and down, up and down. And exercise number 4 is going to be our side planks. So what you're going to do is get to a plank position and then hold yourself up on one side. See how my feet are together? I'm on my forearm, not my elbow, and I'm just going to hold that. You can do that for 15 seconds on your left, 15 seconds on your right, or what you can do is 30 seconds one for the first round and 30 seconds on the other arm for the second round. So stay tuned and we'll do this workout in just a moment. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go in and out. In, out, in, out. 30 seconds. Just do your best. Yeah, 10 more seconds. All right, moving on to tuck jumps. Time. Leg raises on your backs. Let's go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go up and down. Hold it for 3 seconds. Down. Ten more seconds. All right, side planks. I'm gonna go and go 15 on each side. Yeah, most important thing is making sure you're not using your elbow, but you're on your forearm. All right, switch sides. Woo! It's a good first round. We got that 1 minute water break. Remember, round 2, we're gonna go through the same 4 exercises. We'll go from the top. 1, in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, we got our side planks. I really hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 series. This is now Fast five number 5. If you have not watched 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that. 10 seconds left. Then we're moving on to round 2. All right, let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. In, out. This round, I want you to push yourself a little bit harder. Everything you guys got. Again, the fast 5 only takes 5 minutes, but you will get a great workout. 5 seconds left. All right, let's get to those tuck jumps. Don't hold anything back. Everything you got. Time, leg raises. On your backs. And go. All right, let's go. Side planks, side planks. Again, if you did 30 seconds on one side, first round you do the second opposite side. Again, I did 15 on each. So I'm gonna switch. 15 left for the finisher. And time. Awesome job, you guys did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. Again, 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute water break, and repeat the same 4 exercises again for 30 seconds each, coming out to a total of 5 minutes. If you have not already seen Fast 5 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that now. I'll go ahead and put that playlist right here in the corner, so make sure you guys check it out. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five the subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's do-it-yourself fun PE game is called Lucky Strike. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for Lucky Strike. What I'm gonna have is a cone, I have a bucket on top of it, and then I have a large water bottle. You're gonna actually substitute this item for the 3 different levels that we're gonna have today. And I have 2 sets of socks, rolled them together and made a sock ball. You guys can't really see it, but I have 2 sets of tape, and that's about 4 to 5 feet away, depending on the length of the activity area. That can be modified. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this sock ball on top of my foot. And when it's on top of my foot, my goal is to kick it up and try to knock down the bottle. If it knocks down the bottle, I'm gonna go and put it right back up, and I'm gonna get 2 points. Now every time I knock down the bottle, as I mentioned, you get 2 points, and then I'm gonna run to the other side, once again, place it on my foot and kick it and try to strike the water bottle off. I'm gonna have 1 minute to get as many points as I can. Oh, so close. Got 2 points. Just missed. That doesn't count. We're gonna go directly for the bottle. Oh, just above it. Count. And time. So for round number 1, I got 2 points. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, just kicked it. Very good shot. He's getting there. A lot better. Oh, rainbow shot. Oh, 2 points. Oh, 4 points. He's heating up. Holy guacamole, 6 points. And time. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. As you guys may have noticed, I went to a smaller water bottle. So instead of having the big gallon jug, we're gonna have a regular 16 point, I believe it's 9. That's correct, 16.9 water bottle. And what I'm gonna do is the same thing, same motion, and I'm gonna try to get a lucky strike onto this water bottle. Great job. All right, so now we're moving on to level 3. Now for level 3, we're gonna get the sock ball, place it on our foot. This time, we are just gonna kick it and try to make it land inside of the bucket. So instead of striking an object, we're gonna make it land in the bucket using our feet only.
Sorry, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
2 points. points. 10 seconds left. Three, two, one. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Lucky Strike. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
right, Zeke?
Yes.
Okay. Again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. We'd like to see how your students are responding to the games and what modifications you're doing to the game. So again, please don't forget to use the hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at this P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.